Now let's discuss the different types of AI. So AI is divided into three different evolutionary stages, or you can say that there are three stages of artificial intelligence. First, we have artificial narrow intelligence, followed by artificial general intelligence, and that is followed by artificial super intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence, which is also known as weak AI, it involves applying artificial intelligence only to specific tasks. So many currently existing systems that claim to use artificial intelligence are actually operating as weak AI focused on a narrowly defined specific problem. Let me give you an example of artificial narrow intelligence. Alexa is a very good example of weak AI. It operates within a limited predefined range of functions. There is no genuine intelligence or there is no self awareness despite being a sophisticated example of weak AI. The Google search engine, Sophia the humanoid, self driving cars, and even the famous AlphaGo fall under the category of weak AI. So, guys, right now we are at the stage of artificial narrow intelligence or weak AI. We haven't actually reached artificial general intelligence or artificial super intelligence, but let's look at what exactly it would be like if you reach artificial general intelligence. Now, artificial general intelligence, which is also known as strong AI, it involves machines that possess the ability to perform any intelligent task that a human being can. Now, there's actually something that a lot of people don't realize. Machines don't possess human like abilities, right? They have a very strong processing unit that can perform high level computations, but they're not yet capable of doing the simple and the most reasonable things that a human being can. Now, if you tell a machine to process like a million documents, it'll probably do that in a matter of 10 seconds or a minute or even 10 minutes. But if you ask a machine to walk up to your living room and switch on the TV, a machine will take forever to learn that because machines don't have the reasonable way of thinking. They have a very strong processing unit, but they're not yet capable of thinking and reasoning like a human being. So that's exactly why we're still stuck on artificial narrow intelligence. So far, we haven't developed any machine that can fully be called strong AI, even though there are examples of AlphaGo Zero, which defeated AlphaGo in the game of Go. AlphaGo Zero basically learned in a span of 4 months, right? It learned on its own without any human intervention. But even then, it was not classified as a fully strong artificial intelligence because it cannot reason like a human being. Moving on to artificial superintelligence. Now, this is a term referring to the time when the capabilities of a computer will surpass that of a human being. In all actuality, it'll take a while for us to achieve artificial superintelligence. Presently, it's seen as a hypothetical situation as depicted in movies and any science fiction books wherein machines have taken over the world. Movies like Terminator and all of that depict artificial superintelligence. Now, these don't exist yet, which we should be thankful for, but there are a lot of people who speculate that artificial superintelligence will take over the world by the year 2040. So, guys, these were the different types or different stages of artificial intelligence. To summarize everything, like I said before, narrow intelligence is the only thing that exists for now. We have only weak AI or weak artificial intelligence. All the major AI technologies that you see are artificial narrow intelligence, right? We don't have any machines which are capable of thinking like human beings or reasoning like a human.